Did you think that Easton University would kind of like turn into what it has turned into today?
Did you, when I started doing it, what did you think? I've never asked you this. What did you think?
Well, I was like, how old was I? I was like maybe 11 or something like that.
I would, yeah, I'd say probably
To be
11.
honest, I don't really know. I don't really remember much, but um,
What did you
I never really
see from
thought
the
about
outside? What did
that.
it look like to you when I was starting that?
To me, well, I know that you worked on it for like a good amount of months, right?
Yeah.
You were working on it for a long time. I remember that, and I don't know, I just saw, and you were really happy like once you got it done and you
Mm-hmm.
launched it. I don't know. Yeah, that's all I can remember, honestly.
I think for me, and I've started maybe like 6 businesses over my life, and maybe this is bad advice. Maybe this is not the way to do it. But every business I've ever started, I have allowed myself to fantasize about what if it does really well, but I've never started a business with the end in mind of like, I'm going to make $10 million or $30 million or $300 million. I was like, I just want to make one video that maybe helps somebody. And then the next day I'm like, I want to make another video that really helps somebody. And every person that I've been around and I've had coffee with a lot of people that are like, I'm going to make $100 million at this thing. And I'm sure here at the studios, they have people that come in and do podcasts. And I'm sure they're going to be great and they're going to make $1 billion. But there are probably people that walk into the studio that is like, I'm going to make the best damn podcast in the world. And I think most of the time when you have that attitude, it probably goes nowhere because your heart's not in it. You're just basically scratching a lotto ticket that goes nowhere and nothing happens. But I think if you were like today, I don't care where this podcast goes. Today, if one person watches this and they're a little bit better off, that's worth my time. Hopefully it's worth your time. It's worth everybody's time. And I think that's the attitude that you have to have.
Yeah, so just instead of focusing on the end goal, almost like focusing on the process and kind of,
Yes, the process, and focus on why the hell you're doing. Besides the money, money's great. Take the money, put it off to the side and going, how am I making the world a better place with this? If you start a business and you can articulate how you're making the world a better place and not, well, I'm going to sell this business and make $300 million, good things will happen for you.